What's up, man?
Hey man, how's it going?
Getting the old fill up for the day.
Oh, dude.
How about you? I got
Same thing, just a little bit of hydration going on in here. So did you hear Adams is coming out with a new video series?
No.
Yeah, they're calling it Water Cooler Wednesdays.
Just a little background of everything we do here.
I wonder what they're going to include, because normally it's all like instructional stuff, like how to fill up your bucket. But, you know, I wonder if there's any behind the scenes, like the events they go to, what all is going on.
I don't know, man, but you know what'd be crazy? Imagine like detailing a helicopter.
A helicopter?
Dude, why not go big?